Hello YouTube, welcome back to a episode 3 of creating a Discord bot. Today we're going to be creating some perfect embeds and yeah, so let's get started. Last video we basically got our structure for our commands. If you haven't watched that yet, watch it please, because you will not know what I'm doing. And if you haven't watched the video before that, watch the video before this one, or watch the video before last video so you can get the structures and everything for beginners. So let's just get right into it. We're going to declare something. We're going to do const, and I'm going to just do message embed, and have that require from our handy dandy discord.js. And then now we're going to go and create a new command like we used to, case embed, and I'm going to do we're going to let embed equals new message embed, like that. So I'm just gonna let's see, if we do, there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 basically properties, a lot. There's a lot of functions to the embed, so I'm gonna go through the basics and do set title. I'm just gonna go through all of them. So do set title. This is a title. Set description. This is a description. Set author. This is the author. Set footer. This is the footer, and then we can do set timestamp. For set timestamp, we don't have to do anything. We can do set image. I gotta get the image. Set thumbnail. I have to insert the image. Let's go on Google and search up cookies, because you know cookies are the best. And we can go ahead and copy the image address. They look good. I feel hungry now, and we need to paste that there. Gosh, that was a long one. Oops, wrong place. Set image. Boom. Do set thumbnail. And then finally there is, okay, add field title, and then comma, field description. I spelled description wrong, jeez. Description, description. I'm not pressing T. Okay, I can't spell right now, oh my gosh. And then we can go ahead and copy that. And then we'll do field title 2, field description 2. Let's go ahead and copy that. Copy that. Let's do 4. I'll show you what I'll do in a minute. 3, 4. And then that's it. We can now do right here message.channel.send embed, and that's it. Okay, so before I do this, we're basically declaring what embed means. So embed is a new message embed. If I rename this to let's do test embed, I have to rename this to test embed because it's going to be declared. So we're just going to change this back to embed and embed. Save it. No space dot. Now if we do exclamation mark embed, oof, that errors. Invalid form. Oh, not aware of URL. Okay, that's a. Oops, I opened up the wrong. Which you go. So that's not a image apparently. Fine. That means we have to do a image, a new tab. There. It's just telling us don't worry about it, guys. Oh my gosh, why did I do it here? Okay, this is broken. I might. Okay, copy this. It's a pretty easy mistake. It's just I don't know why Visual Studio Code is being stupid right now. There. Okay, and I have to do set thumbnail. Boom. Yeah, so that wasn't a valid URL for the image. Torballs online. Copy that. Embed. Boom. Okay, so that's it. So as you can see, authors here. This is a title. That's the title. That's the title 2. That's title 3, title 4. This is the image. This is the thumbnail. And this is the footer. And this is the timestamp. So let's say if you want let's say if you want these two together. So let's do over here. We do next to 1. We do true and true. Save it. No space dot. Go back over here. Embed. As you can see, both of them are both together. Let's say if you want not 1, but you want 3 and 4, so we go true and true. So we just go false. We can do false. No space dot. Embed. Boom. So these two are not in line. It's called inline. These two are not in line. These are in line. So I think this maybe won't work. So we can do let user equal message dot. I'm testing something, guys. You don't have to do this. And we can do set author message dot user dot username. This maybe won't work, but I'm just testing because you never know. Yeah, username is not defined. User dot. We can do user dot. This maybe won't work either. I was testing it too for testing purposes. Yeah, it won't work because display avatar is not defined. Or I can't read the property. So that's basically pretty much it with the embeds and everything. Next video, that's gonna be it for the basics. Next video, we're gonna be starting with our command handler and with our basically starting with everything like different commands, kick and ban. Yeah. I just want to say most of the code I'm getting is from Salvage Dev, so make sure you guys subscribe to him as well. He's close to, I think, 350 almost, if I think so. He's pretty close. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye bye.